Hey Queens and King, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you are all doing good. So today I'll be making a weight loss juice and I'll be using cucumber, one of my favorite vegetables, and celery, which is one of my least favorite. Comment down below if you love cucumber or celery, and I'll be having a little pep in the end for you guys that hate natural juice with no sweeteners. However, you can also tweak it and sweeten it if you like. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, I already cut up the cucumber in small size just so it can fit in my juicer. And this is what my celery sticks look like. It's going to be pretty easy with the celery because both of them, you just push it down with this thing right here. So let's get started. Okay guys, so when I'm juicing, when I have different vegetables, I like to do like 2 cucumber slices, then a celery, just so everything mixing together well. Let me know if you do that as well.
The desert sky, these open highways are calling our name. Now it's time for us to escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape.
So now guys, this is the fun part because this is where you guys that hate natural juice just like that, you would add natural sweeteners, or you can add your favorite sweetener, doesn't matter. So, because it's a mixture of cucumber and celery, the cucumber kind of kills the awful taste that the celery has. So it doesn't taste bad, it's just that you're gonna taste the video. So, now I'm going to add the strawberry and blueberry and pineapple for those with a sweeter tooth. And if it's still not to your liking after you add these fruits, you can always go ahead and add like honey, sugar, whatever you like. I did this purposely just to show you guys something. The strawberry, blueberries, and the pineapple are a lot softer, squishier, therefore it won't juice well. So stuff like that now you want to add to your natural juice, you would go ahead and pop it into your blender, blend it together, then you add it to your juice and mix it around to incorporate everything. So that's what I'm going to do right now, guys. Some of the juice into the blender just because I don't want to add any additional liquid. So I'll add the juice at the bottom. Pop 2 slices of pineapple inside, or maybe 3. Then I'm going to add a handful of strawberry inside and a handful of blueberries. And it is way cheaper to get the frozen fruits than to get them whole. You get more for your money, and it's fresh, just like the ones that's not frozen, pretty much. And then you're going to blend this together. So this is what it looks like. It has like a purplish color. So you're gonna add this into your juice now, mix it around, and see if you like it. So guys, I will be dropping all the equipments I use down in the description box, so you guys won't have a problem to find it. If just in case you want to try juicing and blending, yeah, I'll make it easy for you guys. So now I'm putting it in. Then going to use a small spoon and mix it around. Of course, the color is going to change, and this is just for the people that can't drink just a straight green. And it pep it up a lot. You're tasting a nice berry flavor. So I did this because in my last video you guys said I can't just drink greens like that. Some of you said that. So this is an alternative way without adding other sweeteners. So you use your fruits as your sweetener. That's if you want to go all night.